In this video, I will show you how to resolve GPU acceleration error, which pops up while opening Camera Raw in Photoshop. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications, and let's get started. Normally, when you go to Filter and you click on Camera Raw, it automatically opens it for you to edit photos and make some adjustments, but in this case, it is not working at all. All you see is this window with this message prompt. If you are having this issue, then I urge you to stick around to the very end of the video so that I will show you how to fix it and get it working again. To access preferences in Camera Raw, on macOS, in Photoshop, choose Photoshop, Preferences, Camera Raw. On Windows, in Photoshop, choose Edit, Preferences, Camera Raw. If do this and you realize the GPU is not enabled, watch this video from my playlist and follow the process to get it working. I have pinned the link to the video in the comments section and also in the description. From my screen, you can see I have two versions of the program installed. This is the version 24. As you can see, it is not opening. Don't worry, just close the program. Connect to internet and open any browser you have on your PC. Type in this keywords and hit enter to load the page. Click on the first link with same name to load the website. Read the instructions carefully and then scroll down. If you have a version earlier than 2023 and 2024, I insist you go for the 14.5 installer because the 16.5 won't work with those versions. But in my case, I'm using the upgraded version of the program, so I will go with this one. Click on this blue bottom to save the file to your PC. Since both operating systems doesn't have the same file extensions, choose the plugin installer to match the operating system you have. This process may be quick depending on how fast your internet speed is, so just have patience for it to finish. When it completes, open the download folder and locate the file in that directory. Close the browser. Right-click on the plugin installer and run as administrator. Follow the prompt to finish the installation. Navigate to your desktop and launch the program. Let's confirm if it's working. Open a photo and create a copy of it. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and open Camera Raw. Brilliant! Now you can edit your images with ease. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you soon.